Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will make a simple animation. In this animation you will see this is an assembly. For this assembly I have to make two parts. So let's make the two parts and make the assembly for the animation. At first I will make a base with a hole, and then I will make the shaft, and then I will make the assembly with both of them. So I am taking some arbitrary values. I am taking 5 millimeter for the hole, and then I am just taking a base for like looking beautiful with any dimension. My goal is to show you how to make simple animation of holes and shaft, like how a shaft insert in the hole. Here I am giving the dimensions. I have made it mirror for making things easier. So my sketch is ready, it is fully defined. I can extrude this. I am doing 5 millimeters. So my first part is ready. I give it a name, any name. So I am giving it YouTube 1 part. Now I will make a new part for the shaft. You can also make bolt and nuts, is up to you. I am just showing you for making things simple. I can give the threads as well, but I don't want to do them right now. I am making things easy. So the hole and the shaft same size will be, so I am giving the value same. Now I am extruding it to 5 also. Now I will make the head of my shaft. It is kinda look like a nut, but this is not a nut, you know. This is for just a simple animation. I'm doing some chamfer to look the head beautiful. Okay, my part number 2 is also ready. I am saving it. YouTube part 2. Now I will do the assembly. For assembly I need to insert those components. the first part is fixed, so I need to make it float for moving it easily. Now I will make it fully defined as I want, like I will make some mates with its surfaces. See how I do. You can do it in your way, it's up to you how you want to do. These mates are really important for assembly. I think this is fully defined now. Okay, I will insert the shaft now. Now I will mate the cylinder with the hole. See how I do them. If I do only this will go through, but I don't want this to go through, so I will make another mate with this plane, with this surface, but I will give the advanced mate here because I want it to move. So I want those two surfaces touch each other, so I give the minimum distance 0, and I make, and how it travel, I give the another distance 3. No, I give it 6, so it will look beautiful. Okay, but it is not fully defined yet. I can make it fully defined by giving the bolt one surface parallel to the top or front plane. I can do that, but it is not necessary to make animation. Now I will make the animation. Select motion study. Now you can select the time here, like 4 seconds. Now I will do like making the camera little bit zoom for making it beautiful. I make it. Now see, I will zoom in and zoom out. Then I am making the time more up to show how the shaft goes inside the. Wait, I did not place the key here. I need to place the key, otherwise it will only show the zoom in and zoom out. So for showing the shaft going inside, I need to make the key. Okay, and now I am moving it into the middle because I just in the first half I want to show the zooming. Now I want to show it is moving. For making it moving, I need to place a key here and make a move. It is done. Now see the whole animation. So we are done. Thank you very much for watching. Next video I want to make analyzation of animation.